If you've ever felt like your Canva designs look a little off or unbalanced, this video is going to change that. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use grids in Canva, a simple but powerful feature that can instantly make your layouts look cleaner, sharper, and more professional. Whether you're just starting out or already creating advanced designs, grids are an absolute game changer. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the hidden tools that can take your workflow to the next level. Inside the settings, look for Show Rulers and Guides. Once you toggle this on, you'll see rulers appear at the top and along the left side of your canvas. These are your visual measuring tools. They help you position and align every element with precision. Now, here's where grids come to life. Click on Add Guides. Canva will automatically create guidelines across your canvas. You can also click and drag from the rulers to add your own custom guides. This lets you divide your layout exactly how you want, whether it's for a social media post, a presentation slide, or even a product mockup. Guides act like invisible helpers. They don't show up in your final design, but they make sure your text, images, and shapes line up perfectly. No more guessing if something's centered or evenly spaced. Canva's grid system keeps everything consistent and balanced. And here's a quick tip. If you're working on a design with multiple sections or images, use grids to maintain symmetry and spacing. It instantly makes your design look polished and intentional, something clients and audiences notice right away. So that's how you use grids and guides in Canva, simple steps that can completely transform how you design. The more you practice using them, the faster and more confidently you'll create layouts that look clean, cohesive, and professional every single time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.